Hello guys, welcome to the channel Something Easy. Today we're gonna learn rule number 12, while. Here we will talk about the different ways of using while. So let's just get started with the examples. Example 1. I was in the room when while during the time you were playing. In this particular situation, while is used for describing a particular time. At that time, the first person was in the room and the second person was playing. In example second, Sam is careless whereas her sister is very conscious. In this particular example, while is used to show the opposite. It's used in a place of opposite, you can say, which clearly shows that it's just a way of using. In the first example, we used while for describing the time. In the second example, we used while to describe opposite. And yeah, this is the way of describing. Here are some more examples to make your writing beautiful. Sam is careless, full stop. On the contradictory, her sister is conscious. Contradictory, her sister is conscious. On contrast, her sister is conscious. On the other hand, her sister is conscious. So, here on the contradictory, contrast, these are not conjunction because they are used after a full stop. And conjunctions are those which joins two sentences together. Here you're breaking them and forming a new sentence. So it's a completely new sentence. I just show you what are the other ways to beautify your writing. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any doubt, mention that in the comment section. Thank you.